we have a little bit more going on with the corn. It did rain and they got humongous. I love when it rains because, again, we're on city water, so it does make a difference. But this is what the corn and beans are looking like. And these are some of the beans. I'm really excited about that. The eggplants, that one's finally growing a little bit better. As you can tell, all the smaller ones in between didn't really grow that well. They are still there, they just didn't really grow. But I have a couple that are actually growing. And hey there, who are you? And it flew away. This is the best looking one, but somebody is definitely enjoying it. These are the gandules. Look how tall they've gotten. They look beautiful. This is my son's plant, which I'm gonna have to kind of weed through this. Pretty sure it is a bean, a lima bean plant, I think it's what it's called. It's usually what they do at school. So these are watermelons, and I'm not entirely sure that's a watermelon, but I have little things like that throughout. Also, from these flowers, if you actually collect these, there's seeds underneath here, so you can plant this again and you'll grow some more flowers. So I'm gonna start collecting these because there's a couple throughout, and that one's doing well. This one's definitely growing, doing well. I think that's going nowhere at this point, and these are absolutely beautiful. My potato leaves are not looking all that great, so I am going to put more dirt in here and clean them out. Obviously they need a little love and extra help, so I gotta do that hopefully tomorrow. These are the pumpkins and they look absolutely beautiful, and I just gotta do a little cleaning. Planted a bunch of like flowers all in that, and really none of them grew with the exception of this one, and this is what this one looks like. Peppers are doing well. These are finally starting to grow new leaves. They're starting to get slightly taller. They're just going slowly, and I have some new ones, and these are looking absolutely beautiful, and lots and lots there. That is the ginger, and the ginger looks absolutely beautiful as well. I am so excited. Again, like you see these here, I just planted those, and I just took the seeds from this one and put some there and on the other side, and I already have more flowers growing. So I'm not entirely sure. I think this is just grass. I'm not sure what that is either, so I'm just gonna let it grow for a little bit and go from there. And then I just have like all these growing as well. These are starting to get taller. And this is the cilantro, and it's looking alright. The tomatoes are doing amazing. They look absolutely beautiful. I can't wait. This is sage, and look how beautiful this looks. Oh my goodness. So they're definitely growing. I have absolutely no idea what this is. It doesn't look like any of the other plants I have, so I'm not sure what that is. Hazel, look how beautiful these are. Nice and big. I cannot wait for this one. Like, oh my goodness, that's gonna be a lot of seeds, and these are so beautiful. Now, this is a cantaloupe, and I cleaned some of the leaves off of these. They are growing, but slightly smaller. Also, whatever was growing on the leaves of these transfer over to these, so I'm trying to treat this before it keeps spreading. Unfortunately, I have it now on the squash, cantaloupe, and the cucumbers, but I found right there another squash. We'll see if this one makes it. It's actually bigger than the other one. I just hope it'll make it through. I did spray these again, but I'm gonna see if I can find something else that might work to get rid of that. I have green beans. Isn't that exciting? Look how beautiful that one is. I kind of wish I would have trimmed the leaves down and whatnot so they would have grown taller, but I definitely have some beautiful green beans growing. And my poor peas. I mean, they are still growing, But it looks so awful on the bottom. Like, I mean, look. I don't even know what this one actually here is. I have no clue what's growing there. So, yeah. Might be a weed. I don't even know. Look at all the ants on this. It came out earlier. There were no ants. I'm not entirely sure what's going on. See, it spread to this one. But this is the cucumbers. And, they're looking pretty good, with the exception there's a bunch of ants on them, so I'm going to figure something out for this. Look at them, they're covered in ants. Okay, so this is the kale. Oh my god, this kale has been a pain. Some of it wants to grow, some of it's not looking so good. So it was growing, and then now it's just not looking great, so I'm not sure. This is the cabbage with the rain it's gotten, so definitely needs less city water. So we have a plan in place for that. These are the white onions. They're not looking as good as the other onions, so I'm missing something here. Carrots are definitely growing, even though they're pretty bunched up. Again, I didn't notice today that we have some mushroom friends joining us, so look at the lettuce. This is with the rain. Just a couple of days we got a rain. They look absolutely beautiful. This one's huge. And we have new friends joining. This one's finally growing. This is all with the rainwater. There's more lettuce. And look how beautiful this kale is. We actually have some of the blueberries. And they were absolutely delicious. I do have to replant these in a bigger pot. Finally, the broccoli is doing a lot better. It's grown some new leaves, and these are just some more flowers. Strawberries are looking really nice. So that's gonna be the update for this week. I hope everyone has a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one.